guess what? We're gonna see if this runs. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Maybe we'll just blow it up.
This one was already in a video. If you go back to our V16 Detroit that had an unfortunate...
No, I don't think it was unfortunate. I think it was a glorious end.
It was a glorious end.
Glorious.
Because it weighed 6,000 pounds, it was kind of impractical. It was running on 12 cylinders, needed a rebuild. But I'm thinking that this one is probably in much better shape.
Maybe we'll just blow it up.
We're not gonna blow it. No. I think we're gonna see if this actually does something. So.
I'm gonna power a small village with this one.
As you can see, it's covered nicely in a cage. It's protected. It's not covered in oil.
It's so nice in here that even birds want to live in here. That's an indication that this thing is minty. Huh?
The V16 was sitting outside with the exhaust pointing up, water getting in. This one came out of a plant that apparently did really good maintenance. This one's worth saving. So it's...
It's pissing off that Robin. So get out of here, guys.
That generator, it's got all the wires cut. I wouldn't worry about the generator. I think it's worth quite a bit in scrap, which is why it's here. This is a good candidate for anybody who wants it.
They usually want it for free and delivered.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. But this one is for sale. Yeah. We're going to try and get it running.
See if she does the boogie.
It's super cool, just like the V16. And this one is practical to do something with.
Yeah.
But what's your next couple months looking like? Me too. But we've been told that if we don't do something with this, it's already in the scrapyard. This one's been in the scrapyard for about 8 months already too. Nobody's bought it. I don't know how much time is left for this old girl to be in the shredder.
Time's ticking.
Yeah, so either buy this or buy some merch and let us do something. We're re-releasing this shirt. We've got a bunch of Detroit shirts. That helps us out, lets us do really cool stuff with something like this. I think we might be getting into another scrapyard that has some really cool old stuff.
Goodies, yeah.
And this would be a sweet engine for one of those trucks. So let us know in a poll. Should we take this and just leave it alone, let the world take its natural course and shred it, turn it into tin cans and bicycles? Should we buy it and just throw it in something cool? Should we buy it and rebuild it, keeping in mind that it's about $1,000 a cylinder to rebuild? Or should we just blow it up?
We should put it in like a Fairmont or something.
Yeah.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah. 2-stroke.
2-stroke. Oh, it's on there. Oh, there's eggs in it.
Oh.
So let's just start this up quick and shut it down.
Look at this. That's the oil. I'm thinking this is a good candidate to not blow up.
If that was blowing it up.
Fuel's probably down there.
I would definitely park this beside the house and never use it.
Fire it up once in a while?
Yeah, just make sure it's good.
Oh, look at that. That's business. That's the business end. A lot of big, heavy cables, a lot that I think can kill you.
Yeah.
Oh, we're in trouble because I only have 1 battery.
Not 10?
Not 4.
Like, that's gonna, like, arc across and kill everyone in the vicinity.
Let's turn it on. All right. 4,000 hours, that's nothing. Press to release. Just, there's really nothing on it. Like, that's throttle. I don't think that's how that works. So that's the main throttle.
Well, you need it full throttle, so I'll bend it and put it over here.
So I need 4 batteries.
No, I just need 1. There's no load on it, so it should just freewheel.
Okay.
I'm just here to watch.
That's the wrong... Unhook all the batteries, and then we'll just hold it on. Oh, it's a dead mouse that you're squishing.
I should probably watch when I'm just arcing out on the battery.
I'm pretty sure the batteries are dead. See if it does anything.
I'll just do like play the switch game here. Nothing. Oh wait. Oh! The hour clock went. Just hold it back on there and let me arc it.
Okay. So not enough to Turn it over.
And I didn't burn my fingers.
She's not seized, so that's good.
She can try it again.
We can try it again. I don't think you got enough oomph. I think you need more batteries.
Just a sec, let me try something.
That doesn't sound very good.
It's a 24 volt starter. We hooked up 24 volts with 2 batteries. It had 4 originally to start. We don't have 4, so we're gonna skip a step and try 36 and see what happens. We're at a scrapyard for a reason, right? Nothing.
Nothing? Maybe there's safeties on it because it's like electronical or something. We're going 24 because 36 didn't do anything. And I need one more nut.
Don't we all? Here, I got one.
I got it.
Okay, now lean and put your hand against that right there. Okay,
You want to try it?
contact?
Yeah.
No shit!
so give it some throttle because I bet it'll go.
I didn't even.
Was that ether?
I give it a snort. Yeah.
Oh,
Just
okay.
like a steady one, or was it starting to run? Okay, you got steady. Pull the throttle, Stefan, like full throttle. Shut it off. Shut off. Oh, that's the exhaust. There's a lot of exhaust.
It's full of water.
It's pushing the exhaust. And the exhaust is like blowing water out. Yeah.
Rich, we should just cut that and point it this way. Right, Aaron?
Yeah.
That's full motor.
There it goes. That's like the. He's just spraying it. It's just running on ether.
So quiet.
It's so quiet.
See, that's what a half decent one sounds like, not the shit we blew up.
What? Yeah. It's pretty Marsally. It might speed it up if it's under load.
You want me to try it?
Try it. I don't think it's getting fuel. I think a jerry can, just take that hose out, put it in, and I think we can get it. Come on, I want to hear it scream. There it goes. There it goes. There we go. I'm starting to sound like it. No, your face is like, ah! So shut it up.
Wait. We had it the wrong way.
See, it was the other way. My heart still went a little bit because it's at that point where we're like, it's going. Is it gonna stop? So it is push full throttle.
I can't even see anything, and I was kind of, a little scared.
Yeah. You didn't get his face, but I saw his face because that was the face like, uh-oh, it's going away. It's not coming back.
They just sound so gnarly when they go, like they start up.
when it's just running on, they should really just get rid of the whole fuel system and
Run on
ether, because it purrs so nice just on
way
ether.
nicer.
Let's see, insides of the... I want to hear it again.
Rich, if we just bend this straight, we'll get some more. Bend that straight so you can push it in more.
Okay.
I don't know. I think if we walk away from it and not die, at least you got a nice.
Well, so
Shield.
what actually puts that air solenoid on as an emergency?
Maybe. No, I hit every button.
What closes the flap? Because there's like a governor on it then. That...
It's gotta be electronic.
Yeah.
I'm following the wires. They're coming up to the front here. But who knows if it's hooked up still, or if this thing's just like seized.
Yeah. See, I'm just breaking it now. That's all I got. Like I had my eye on it. I'm like, okay, if it goes away, I just have to hit that.
Look, see,
right?
like
But,
if you. It really has to pull it all the way in, right?
Yeah. I think it's still alright.
I had to pull this knob to shut it off, right?
Cool. So believe it or not, that little bit of running used the entire jerry can. More than likely it went to return. This fuel is no good. It wasn't picking up fuel, so we put a jerry can on it, fired right up. It would make a nice little engine in for, you know, like a half-ton pickup, something like that.
It'd be really great if you had like a community and you wanted to isolate yourself from the rest of the world. This is what you need.
Yeah. But the rest of the world can find you because it's a noisy freaking engine. Probably puts out like 200 horse.
I need some ground cables, all right? I gotta ground the block.
Do you
to
have
the
any
frame.
grounds? Yes, I've got 12 of them.
Yeah, that's awesome. I can ground everything with that.
So, we know as it runs, we know that it runs well. We pissed off a robin, and we've been told that when those eggs hatch and those birds fly away, this engine needs to go away. So, definitely check that poll. Either we buy it, or you buy it, or it just goes away.
Yeah, limited time.
Yeah.
Only.
The robins, there's eggs in there, and she did come back. So definitely check out our merch. Help us out with our merch. We'll buy this. Otherwise, you buy it, and at least it won't get shredded. So No comments if this disappears, because it's your fault
It's your
you
fault.
didn't buy
Yeah, right,
it.
it's your fault.
Yeah, here we go.